Ananet the 2017 Georgia Navajo one lesson. This one we're gonna call this one a uh, our pass off. Okay, so anytime we see the blue, that's where we do the pass off in our lesson. So I'm doing something a little differently. I usually put this onto a different form, but today I'm going to put it on this. We'll stay on this syllabus page. All right. So because the pass off is all right there. So if it helps, let me know. If it doesn't help, I'll switch it back to the other one. So we have a sheet that just does that. So let's say you want to make a copy. You can just uh, make a copy, or if you want me to put it on a form, I think I'll just put it on a form. Okay. So once you'll get this video, but then also a form that has this on it. Okay. So if you pass off on right here in on this side, you'll see the word pass off. This is lesson 3, I think it was. So we'll switch it back to, lesson 2, I think it was. So we'll switch to lesson 3. So this is lesson 3 pass off. Okay, so I'm gonna put lesson 3 here. 3 pass off. Okay, food. All right, here it is. So there's 2 statements. Yeah, all our lessons have what we call statements. It could be a paragraph. It could be a sentence. The higher level have paragraphs. Okay, small paragraphs. So if you're taking Navajo 2, we're going to be using a couple of sentences, not it'll be part of a paragraph anyway. And this one's kind of like that, but we just have 2 statements. Okay, the first statement, at ed, that means girl. At ed, bahlakane means cake. Bahlakane, shishlakan ne. Notice I put bahlakane, shishlakan in quotation. We want that to be said by the girl. The girl said, so ne is said, okay? And at ed bahlakane, shishlakan ne. And then the number 2 statements. See, every time we put a statement, our technique is we're going to learn questions. Okay. The next one is ashki, which is boy. Ashki, ashki. And then the word for pop. If you always wanted to know the word for pop, here it is. Two. Okay. Two dil chwash chwash. Chwashe, chwashe. All right, twadil chwashe. And what does that really mean? Twa, when you say twa, it almost has a W sound between the T and the O, which is okay. Twa, twa, and then dil chwashe means the bubbly water. Twa means water. Dil chwashe means the bubbly. And soda pop does that, right? You see the fizz is called the dil chwashe. So we have a girl that says, I like cake, and the boy that says, I like pop. Hey, Gushi, let me read it again. At ed bahlakane shishlakane ashki twadil chwashe shishlakane. So the quotation is probably going to be right after this one. And comma here, and let go of this one. So the boy, ashki twadil chwashe shishlakane. That's the said part, said. All right, now let's ask questions about that. Okay, let's ask questions about that. So the way we're going to ask question is, the first one is chaish, who? Chaish, and we gotta choose between that ed and girl. Chaish, bahlakane shishlakane. Who said bahlakane shishlakane? Okay, and we looking at number 1. We say, oh, it's a ed, so we gotta say it ed. So our answer, see, this is not only a question, but we got to answer it, okay? And question and answers. Okay, so to answer it, we say, at ed bahlakane behlakan, bahlakane shishlakan ne. So that was our answer. Who and we answered it at ed balakan shilakan ne. Next question, and this is just to help you have a understanding. There's two questions that I call them question makers. Heish is who, da is the same did or something, did the girl, okay? Da at ed, and then we'll put a comma there, and then we'll put a little quotation. At ed ba shakan shakan ne. The answer, oh, at ed, that's the comma there, and then a quotation. Ba shakan shakan ne. All right, so that's what she said. So you're learning a word here, oh, and a question mark. This one doesn't have a meaning. It just says, did the girl say she liked? And then the answer is yes. Oh, at ed ba shakane shishakan ne. All right. On this passive, I'm not worried about how close. I like you to come close to how to say it. But the main thing I want you to learn here is the pattern, okay? And here's the pattern. When I say heish, we got to replace, we got to say who. So in Navajo, we put the who first, and we say at ed. And then the pattern is who said ne, okay? Who said ba shakan shakan. And then in our answer, we have to say that same thing at ed ba shakan shakan ne. So we're just repeating, but with who and who, and then who was it at ed. The next one is we're saying, did the girl say "Bashakan Shishakan"? And the answer is yes. Oh, and then we repeat ed Bashakan Shishakan. So we're kind of overdoing it, but that's just part of learning. Yeah, we just want the answer. We could have just said oh, and that was it, which is the way we normally talk. But because of learning, because we want to learn, we just say, oh, at ed Bashakan Shishakan. All right, so help practice, part of practice. Okay, now we'll go to the number 3, and there we say chaysh again. Okay, chaysh, twadel chwashishishakan. Who is saying twadel chwashishishakan? And our answer is ashki twadel chwashishishakan. All right, so that's what that is. Next is da ashki twadel chwashishishakan. And that's yes. Did the boy say I like twadel chwasha? And we put that in quotation and say that twadel chwasha kan. Okay. Ne? Oh, ashki twadel chwasha kan. Ne? Yes. And the last one, I wanted to put in the word daga. Daga. We have a yes, oh, but we wanted to also let you learn how to say no. Okay. Daga. So the question is, da ashki ba shakan. Notice, did the boy say, okay, did the boy say ba shakan shakan? And if we go back, we say, oh no, the boy didn't say that. The girl said it. So we have to say daga. Did the boy say he liked the cake? We have to say daga. No, daga ashki. And then the way to say no is do ba shakan shakan da. Shakan. 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 Nida. Okay. Okay. That's how. Okay. So daga ashki do bashakane shishakan nida. Notice there's an added I here. That happens when you have just one vowel, but then you're adding something to it, like da. That happens. You draw. You that last vowel. You put another I in it. So instead of saying ne, up here, like ne. There's nothing bad past it. But the minute that we put something behind ne, we make that into I or AA or EE, all the vowels. So ni, and it slides back down. Ni ta. Okay. So, but then we have to correct it. What is it the boy likes? Ashki. Ne. All right. So that's the end. Thank you very much. So Shandy, you'll pass this off. I'll take this. I'll copy this, and I'll put it on a regular form that can be emailed to you. So I'm gonna copy. All right, I'm going to